And there's wifey over there.
I'm so excited. Look at this wall.
Better
Hotel
yet.
de Glace.
Ah, there you go. Hotel de Glace. Ice Hotel. Dang.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Winter.
Winter. No, it's a map.
Man, these guys must have great asses. Frig. So Omar said that I wasn't allowed to have any more burgers. There's my poutine. We've made it to Quebec. We found a hotel. Look at that hill behind me. Worse yet, look at the hill in front of me. Man, these guys must have great asses. Frig.
This must be one way.
We're gonna regret this.
Get run over.
We're gonna regret this after we're full. After we've eaten and we're full, to walk up this. Hey, yay. Checking out the nightlife, as well as time for dinner. So I know that this is a car channel, not a vacation channel, but, you know, come on. Need vacation. Not only that, but there's a Porsche right there. So Omar said that I wasn't allowed to have any more burgers. Poutine it is. It's okay. So I think I'm going back to my burger. There's my poutine. And there's my burger. Sorry, man, I tried. That is the Parliament building of Quebec. And in true Canadian flavor, you've got people playing hockey in a makeshift ice rink. Good morning. Welcome to another day, Quebec City. Time for some breakfast. Now, no fries, no burger. Let me show you what I'm trying. So we're in this place that's kind of like a, I don't know, nautical theme. And there's wifey. And I'm trying this crepe. It's called the La Roger crepe with a whole bunch of things inside, eggs and steak, and let's see how this goes. Now that that's finished, time to get over to the festival. But remember last night I was talking about a steep hill? This is the hill that we have to walk up to get back to the hotel. It's steep, very steep. I hope that you can see from the car the angle that it's got to go up. Crazy. All right, let's get it over with. These houses here are very different. I mean, look at the size of the doors. Huge. Unless, of course, you're a gnome. In which case, there's your door. Yeah, go stand up next to it.
How do you fit your couch and like the table and like...
The gnome that lives under the bridge lives there. How about that Cadillac? New one? definitely different. Up this hill, everywhere is a hill, man. Whew. Cadillac spills, Cadillac drills. Oh, how you like my Cadillac bills. Luda. So at this carnival, there are of course a bunch of things to do. Zip lining. There you can get dressed up in old school French attire. Not sure what that is. Videotron. Not sure what's going on there. Sugar Shack over there. Ice slide. Alright, so we're at the ice sculpting exhibit. This stuff's crazy. From grade 3 when we start French till grade 6 is about this carnival and about the mascot, I guess you'd call him. His name is Bonhomme de Neige. That is the reason why we are here. You know, we live so far away that neither one of us as children had a chance to experience this. Well, wifey here is hell-bent on meeting Bonhomme. So he is here. She is going to get a picture with him. And this is going to be cute as one could make it.
Thank you. Where you from?
Good job.
Welcome to Quebec City. Have a great time here. You're welcome, my friend.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Childhood goal.
Bucket list thing checked off.
Yes, definitely. Definitely. Let me speak English.
Not sure how sharp this is going to be, but look at these ice sculptures. They even did the snow. Like, that's detail. Totem pole. Seeing how my wife is the queen, now she's on her throne. Her slippery throne, but her throne. Oh, look at the heart. This dude's playing an accordion. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see all the detail in these things, but wow. Oh, wow. An owl. Crazy.
Oh, look at the moose.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Do they say quack, quack, quack? You going in? So at the carnival there are games to play. So we played a giant version of Guess Who. I was right, she was the skunk, but I called it a squirrel, so I lost. So she beat me even though I had the right character. So there's a driving thing to do, so I'm in. Wait until you see what I'm driving.
This.
Bye.